welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we are starting a new workout series called the resistant band loops, and today we are going to be walking back and forth in our narrow squat. So if you are ready, go ahead and grab your resistance band loop. If you don't have one, that's okay, and let's begin. Okay, let's go ahead and grab our resistance band loop and bring it in between our legs here. And you can bring this anywhere you want to on your thigh here. Okay, and let's go ahead and begin for 3 minutes of walking side to side in this narrow squat here. So keeping it low the entire time, but if you can't hold this narrow squat position and you have to stand up a little bit, that's okay. Otherwise, we're just keeping it low here the entire time. Now we're just walking back and forth, just 3 minutes. So this 3 minutes will go by quicker than you know it. And how do you like my workout outfit? I love the color of these leggings. They're so cute. And these leggings even have pockets. That's great. The pockets are big enough for your phone, which is perfect for if you're working out, going for a walk, going to the gym. You can take all of your essentials with you in these pockets. And it also comes with a matching cute little sports bra as well. Color is great and perfect for fall. I'm so excited that it is fall. Let me know in the comments below what y'all guys are doing for fall this year. And we have 2 minutes left. We've already done 1 minute. Y'all can do this. You got this. Y'all are doing a great job. So once again, you can have this resistance band loop anywhere on your thighs. You can have them lower here like I do. You can have them up further. Get them on your thighs. You can always have them on your calves as well. And if you don't have a resistance band loop, that's fine. You can still do these narrow squat walks from side to side without any equipment. So you don't need any, but these are great ways to use any resistance band loops if you have any. And we have 1 minute left. See, look how quick that last minute went by. Super fast. And just keep it going here and side to side to side. You guys got this? Yeah, be sure and let me know any fun fall plans that y'all have. And keep walking. And this is also a little bit of cardio because we are moving and walking, getting that heart rate up, getting our blood pumping, flowing through those veins. Make sure you breathe the entire time. Don't hold your breath. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of all of y'all. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and make sure you subscribe if you are not already, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!